A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to take a look on what is happening in the nation Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. And we are taking a look on a case of Christopher Mutsvangwa. Killer Zivhu says, rumor in my rural Chivi is that an English vocabulary speaker is positioning himself for the presidency, building a team across provinces to make a bid for the top seat. And nakutaura mazita zvangu. But masvingo aitambiri iwayo zviri kungoitika triple C ikoko. So this is something which is happening, and this is part of the rumors which are circulating within ZANU-PF that Christopher Mutsvangwa, although he is afraid and has been persecuted, he still eyes the top post. So what is happening is that ZANU-PF is disintegrating. A lot of people see this as an opportunity to take over power or to grab over power from Emmerson Mnangagwa. Emmerson is failing and he has failed dismally as a leader of ZANU-PF as well as a leader of Zimbabwe. So you can actually see that where we are going at this point in time, the government of Emmerson Mnangagwa is collapsing. If you take a look on all these unresolved cases which are being reported on a daily basis, it's a clear indication of where we are going. It's a clear sign of where we are going as a nation. We are heading for disaster. So what is happening at this point in time is to understand that no matter the circumstances, one way or the other, we are going to have a change of government in Zimbabwe. That is inevitable. A change of government is going to happen, and it will happen very, very soon. So what we need to understand is ZANU-PF in its own form, they are trying to preserve themselves. They are fighting for a preservation of the looting, protection of their assets, and everything else. While others, they are fighting for them to be included at the central issues. So you can actually see that Mnangagwa is in the survival mode. ZANU-PF again is in the survival mode, but it's divided into various factions and different forms. So this is a confirmation by someone who is well inside ZANU-PF and well informed about the activities happening there. Which means Killer Zivhu, yes, he might be wrong somewhere, but to a certain extent is correct. To a certain extent is correct. This is the reason why these people are worried. And imagine, kuti ndege ya president inorwa neleza. We have never seen those things happening in Zimbabwe. That is, Zimbabwe is one of the most peaceful countries. For a president to be attacked, it's rare to hear kuti kuna politician, angava MP, angonzi ashudwa. When you hear a politician missing, it's the state doing it. Atina ma issues the assassination anongori in ordinary assassinations zekuti it's being done by ordinary people. No, we don't have such cases. If you go to South Africa, there are cases where ma councillor they hit each other, ma MPs they hit each other, kill each other. But when you go to Zimbabwe, there is nothing like that. Only the regime targets its opponents and directly, which means all the operatives anenge from within. So Zimbabwe cannot have a situation where a president's plane is attacked by a laser. That is uncalled for. We have never heard about that. We have never seen such things happening in our lifetime. But it's starting to happen. So if you take a look onto all these issues and what is happening, then you understand where we are going as a nation. So, and there's such unpolished language coming from a person who calls himself Honorable. Okay, Killer Zivhu, arikutraya, Killer akadzidzwa pachikoro chemanga sezvatakaita. He's trying. Probably we learned at the same school at a certain point in time, but angari kumberi kwedu takazodzidzawo paakadzidzao. Okay, what is Masvingo in this mix? We don't want Chris, yes, but leadership is not determined by Masvingo. If people choose Kembo, Shava, Chasi, or Gouveia, that's it. Okay. So it's a battle of leadership. Masvingo iri kuzviti ndo inodecide. Okay. Zvikanzi icho chinoda kukwana kwese kwese hachina kwacho. Okay. So if you take a look on what's happening, a lot is happening at this point in time, Zimbabwe. Anything can happen. As we speak right now, from now going on, anything can happen in the nation of Zimbabwe. You cannot guarantee the continuous existence of ZANU-PF. It can't be guaranteed. Anything can happen, and we'll continue to take a look and see how everything is going to unfold and how everything is going to end. But it's a very interesting season. We have entered into a very interesting season as we speak right away. So